A little salt and olive oil and you will not feel pain for the next 5 years. The real and ugly truth is that most people immediately buy and use prescription medications and drugs, anytime they have some kind of health problem or issue. That's not good, because the prescription medications and drugs will always get their toll on your health. You should use natural alternatives instead. And the best thing about these natural alternatives is that they will provide the same effects, sometimes even better, without any side effects. For example, if you are dealing with neck osteochondrosis, which is a really painful and frustrating condition, you can treat it with this effective home remedy, rather than using over-the-counter remedies. This homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 10 tablespoons of high-quality salt, 20 tablespoons of unrefined olive or sunflower oil. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just mix the ingredients mentioned above in a glass container. Seal the container well and leave it for 2 days. After 2 days, your remedy is ready to use. How to use it? Here's what you need to do: you just have to apply this remedy on the affected area in the morning, immediately after you wake up. You just have to rub this homemade remedy on your skin. Note, first you can start with 2 to 3 minutes, then gradually increase the time. The medical experts say that 20 minutes are more than enough to perform the massaging phase. At the end, wipe it off with a damp towel. And be careful if you notice your skin is slightly irritated, you should apply some baby powder and it will help you relieve the unpleasant feeling. You will be amazed by the results. Just after 10 days, the remedy will stimulate your circulation and muscle regeneration in your cartilage and bone tissues. You will notice great changes in just 8 to 10 days. After this simple treatment, your headaches will be gone, because this remedy helps you to have a proper blood flow and great vision as well. Moreover, your body will be free of toxins and your metabolism will reach its highest peak. It should be noted that you may feel a bit dizzy after the massage, but it is worth it. The best part is that this home remedy has no side effects. Well, this means that if you suffer from headaches and other problems mentioned above, then we highly recommend this homemade remedy. As we said, you will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.
Why turmeric, olive oil, and black pepper make for a powerful cancer-fighting drink. Ladies and gentlemen, I really think that we can all agree on one thing: cancer is one of the most frightening diseases of our age. Unfortunately, the real and ugly truth is that everyone knows someone who's had cancer, and it's scary to think that it may happen to you too. The experts say that modern science is still struggling to understand how cancer manifests itself and how to cure it. However, most researchers agree that chronic stress and inflammation plays a big role in the development of the deadly disease. What to eat to prevent cancer? The good thing is that anti-inflammatory compounds might hold the key to preventing cancer. Of course, it's important to lead an active lifestyle and manage stress for best results. Many foods that help prevent the disease can be found in your spice cabinet. How turmeric fights cancer. Turmeric is awesome. It's a powerful spice with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It actually contains one of the world's most powerful non-pharmaceutical anti-inflammatory compounds. Many different studies on cancer cells have shown that curcumin has proven chemopreventive effects. It seems to be able to kill cancer cells and prevent them from growing. It has the best effects on breast cancer, bowel cancer, stomach cancer, and skin cancer cells. It's also been proven effective against colon, prostate, ovarian, and brain cancer. Black pepper. Black pepper is loaded with piperine. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, can increase curcumin absorption in both rats and humans with no adverse effects. It's been said to increase effectiveness of turmeric by as much as 2000%. Olive oil. Many experts around the world say that olive oil makes a great sidekick to turmeric because curcumin is fat soluble. How this works? Well, this means it needs to be dissolved in fat to make it into the intestine, where it is absorbed into the bloodstream. Olive oil is also full of antioxidants and substantial amounts of other compounds deemed to be anti-cancer agents, e.g. squalene and terpenoids. Cancer-fighting recipe. We can easily say that turmeric is one of the healthiest spices in the world. And yes, turmeric is a great spice to use in the kitchen, in anything from curries and vegetable seasoning to hot milk and tea. Note, ladies and gentlemen, you should know that the following recipe comes from Dr. Carolyn Anderson, who recommends taking this mixture as often as you can. You will need the following ingredient: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 pinch of freshly ground pepper. Directions. Here's what you need to do. First of all, you should mix all the ingredient in a small bowl until they all blend together. After that, you need to add the mixture to soup or salad, or simply whisk in a little water and drink it straight. How to use it? You should take once every day before a meal. And trust me, you'll be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to click the share button at the end of the video. Thank you and have a good one.